Hi everyone, Elizabeth here from Charlie Goss Style. I am here with my third installment of petite styling tips. The first tip I'm going to talk through is accentuating your waist and how that can make you look longer. The second has to do with bringing the attention upwards as opposed to downwards. And the third is shopping the kids section. Just as a reminder, if you are 5'3" and under, you are considered petite. It doesn't matter what your pant size is. If you're 5'3" and under, you are petite. Okay, let's get into the first tip. Okay, so the first tip I'm going to chat through is accentuating your waist to give the illusion of length. Now, I will preface this by saying, if you want to wear your shirt untucked, by all means, go for it. These are just general guidelines. They're not strict rules, so wear whatever you want. With your shirt left untucked, if it hits around the mid to upper thigh area, it is shortening the length of your legs. Whereas if you have it tucked in and you're accentuating the waist, it is going to give the illusion of a longer leg. So now that I've tucked my shirt into my pants and accentuated my waist, it does create the illusion of length. You can do this by using a cropped shirt, a tucked in shirt, it doesn't really matter, but when using the general rule of 1/4 up top, 2/3 below, you wanna make sure that your bottoms are hitting at least below your knee. Not to say you can't wear a mini and not to say you can't wear shorts, but with this general rule, you wanna have the top quarter with your shirt and the 2/3 of the bottom with your pants. Okay, so next up I'm gonna show the same principle, but using a blazer. Okay, so in this look, I have chosen a blazer that fits a regular length. Because I'm 5'1", this is hitting a little bit longer than where ideally I would want it to. I would prefer to have it an inch or two shorter, where it's sort of hitting the mid to top of thigh. This does feel a little bit long, and it is shortening my leg. Okay, so now that I've swapped my regular length blazer for a cropped version, you can see that I immediately look longer than I did in the regular length version. Where it was hitting mid-thigh before, it is now more of a crop where it's hitting closer to my waistline. Because you can see more of my leg, it immediately lengthens my body. Okay, so my second styling tip for petites is drawing the attention upwards to create length rather than bringing the attention downwards. You can do this by choosing a statement earring, a statement necklace, a scarf, or even a hat. As you can see here, I have chosen a scarf and a statement earring, and that automatically creates the line of vision to move up your body as opposed to down lower on your body like a statement shoe would. Okay, so this brings me to the second part of this tip. You want to avoid bringing the attention downwards, and an easy way to do that is by wearing a statement shoe, whether that be pattern or color. Because the statement is focused at the bottom of your body, it is going to make you look shorter rather than taller. Let me show you what I mean. As you can see here, I've chosen a cow print sneaker, and this immediately is going to draw your attention to my shoe. If you want to create the illusion of length, you want to choose a shoe that is in more of a neutral palette or a shoe color that matches your bottoms. Okay, so my final petite styling hack is shopping the kids section, specifically when it comes to shoes. If you have a woman's size 6 or 7, then you might not have as hard a time trying to find footwear. But if you've got an extra tiny foot like myself, a 5, sometimes a 4, I do find it difficult to find shoes that fit me. So I found that shopping the kids section can actually be really helpful, especially when it comes to shopping for sneakers, ballet flats, sandals, and even loafers. It's also significantly cheaper. Now, one suggestion I would make is if you're looking for an athletic sneaker that you're gonna be doing daily activities in, don't shop the kids section. You do wanna find a women's shoe that is designed for an adult's foot. But if you're just wearing a lifestyle sneaker, a kid's version is totally fine. Also, adult styles like heels, you're not gonna find in the kids section. But if you are looking for something easy that's flat, the kids section can be very, very helpful. Okay, so that's it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love doing the petite styling series, so make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave any questions you have below. Have a great day.